Welcome to the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. My name is Rich. If you've been following the channel, you know we do lots of different and cool things, including repairs, upgrades, modifications with our Jeep Wranglers.
Oh, that's really tight.
All good.
There it is.
Link to the Jeep Wrangler Things playlist is in the description below. In this video, we address intermittent faulty HVAC air speed control in our 2001 Jeep Wrangler. The problem we are experiencing is the fan speed control only worked on the highest setting. It was wicked frustrating. There's a ton of content on this topic available on YouTube. Some of it good, some of it really bad. But unfortunately, none of it helped us troubleshoot effectively. There's a couple of videos, however, that got us really close. They had a similar issue, but only when the outside temp was below freezing. A big shout out to Whiteboard Coder. Thank you. We live in Arizona. Our airspeed control challenges were the same regardless of the outside temp. Our research suggested it was one of four things, or some combination. One was the resistor. The second was the control unit. The third was the blower motor. And the fourth was the wiring harness. We were hoping it was not the wiring harness, as we knew it might be difficult to find an exact replacement, and trying to repair would likely be beyond our capabilities. Okay, we now had a plan and thus began the journey to find the issue and fix the problem. The resistor is located below the glove compartment above the passenger side footwell. We removed it and inspected it. It was dusty and dirty, but appeared operational. Nonetheless, we elected to replace it. Unfortunately, there was no change. The airspeed control still only worked on the highest setting. So, on to step 2, the control unit. To gain access to the air control unit, you have to remove two panels. The first is the defroster cover. Removing it allows access to the top screws of the center control panel, which houses the air outlet vents, radio, air control unit, the switch bevel, and the ashtray. Upon inspection, we noticed some of the plastic connectors looked warped and even melted, so we just decided to replace the entire air control unit. This seemed to have fixed the problem, but it only lasted for a short time. So a couple of weeks later, we moved on to step 3, the blower motor. Rather than inspecting and deciding whether or not to replace it, we just bought a new one. The blower motor is attached by a few screws. To get to it, you'll need to disconnect and remove the battery and move the electrical unit out of the way. I believe this might be called the power distribution unit. Anyway, simply unplug the connections and detach the unit from its mount. I forgot to hit the record button. If you want to see how to remove the unit, check out the Jeep TJ blower motor replacement YouTube video by Kyle SVT. Thanks, Kyle. And here we go. Moment of truth.
Sweet!
All good. Nice. So happy it was not step 4, the wiring harness. We also replaced the LED lights in the air control unit because it was wicked cool. Oh yeah, we also replaced the torn gear shifter boot. You may have noticed the resistor plug appeared damaged. So we bought a new harness in case this may also have contributed to the problem. But we'll hold on to it in case we need it later. This has been another production from the North Phoenix Suburbanstead. If you liked the video, click subscribe so we can see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.